Meaning of discontented.
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 Discontented. Discontented means being unhappy or dissatisfied with a situation or circumstance. When someone is discontented, they may feel restless or frustrated, and may desire a change. This feeling of discontentment can result in various outcomes, such as decreased motivation or productivity, strained personal relationships, or even physical health problems. It can also motivate individuals to seek out new opportunities or make changes in their lives that they hope will bring greater satisfaction. Ultimately, whether positive or negative, the result of feeling discontented depends on how individuals choose to respond to their dissatisfaction.